Hey everyone, it's Alexa from the Dunlap Public Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own scrunchie at home. They were huge in the 80s and 90s and now they're making quite the comeback. So here's a way that you can make it for very cheap and with materials you can find around your house. So the first thing you'll need is fabric. You also need scissors, hot glue gun, an elastic, and also a round object like a mason jar or a water bottle that you can wrap your scrunchie around to give it its shape. So first for your fabric, you can use really any fabric. It can be thin or thick, and it can be any pattern or it can be plain. I have a velvet scrunchie that you can use. I think these are really cute, but if you have like velvet around your house, you can use that. I am using some felt today. So the first thing you'll want to do is cut out the length of your fabric to be 16 to 18 inches long. So it's going to be like 1.5 feet. And then you're going to want it to be 3 to 4 inches wide. So because mine is the same on both sides, it doesn't really matter for me. But if you're using like fabric that you use to sew, and it has like one side that's a little bit faded and you want the side that's like more bright to be facing the outside, then this might apply to you a little bit more. But say this right here, this one is my good side. You're going to want to fold that inside like this, and then you're gonna want to glue it like this. You're gonna want to glue it so that it's folded in half like this. So again, the good side is on the inside, and on the outside right now is the faded side that that's gonna be on the inside of the scrunchie. So I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun and glue along here. Okay, so I've got my scrunchie fabric folded in half and glued, so now it's round. And now the next step that we're going to do is take our round object, so I'm using this water bottle, and we're going to wrap it around the bottle, and then you're going to take your elastic and you're going to wrap it around the fabric. And the inside, this part is the good side. That's going to be facing outside. So this that's on the outside here will actually be the inside of your scrunchie. And the next thing you're going to want to do after you've got it like scrunched up a little bit is you're going to glue all along the length of the scrunchie. So the place where you're actually going to be putting the glue is on the inside right here. So you're going to be doing on the inside, and then you're going to be putting it, and you're going to be folding it over like this so that now the good side is showing to the outside and to the world. So you're going to do that for the full length of the fabric. So once you've glued all the way around, your scrunchie is completely ready to wear and to add to your scrunchie collection. Or if it's your first one, then congrats, you made your own scrunchie. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have fun making your own scrunchies. Bye everyone.